Hi, this is Peter Millwid at Mile High Bankruptcy in Denver, Colorado, and this is the third in my series of videos explaining basic facts of bankruptcy to folks. And the topic today is, how do I know if I need to file bankruptcy at all? The decision to file bankruptcy is definitely a tough one. People fight it as long as they can, sometimes suffering needlessly because of pride or fear. But the decision to file bankruptcy, or at least seriously consider it, is based on a few honest answers to a few honest questions. If you're being sued or garnished for a debt you can't pay, you generally need a bankruptcy. If you're up at night or have a nagging feeling constantly that you're drowning in debt, you need a bankruptcy. If you struggle to make payments every month and the debt never goes down because of accruing interest, you probably need a bankruptcy. If you're running a business and you're not getting paid and the business is losing money, you probably need a bankruptcy. Or if you're hit with some sort of personal tragedy like job loss or health problems or problems with a child or problems with an elderly parent that just becomes overwhelming debt-wise, you probably need a bankruptcy. And the list goes on, but the point is basically simple math. Number one, how much money do you make each month? Number two, how much money do you need each month to pay your basic living expenses for you and the family? A roof over your head, groceries, gas, insurance, kid stuff, school expenses. What does it take to live a modest but decent life? And then the next question is, do you have a substantial amount of debt? Then the question is arithmetic. If you have enough to live, but not enough to live and service the debt, you need to file a bankruptcy and clear out the debt. If you don't and the debt doesn't get paid, the creditors are going to come after you. Sometimes soon, sometimes not for years, but they do eventually try to collect with the phone calls, lawsuits, wage and bank account garnishments to get their money. All of these bad things are prevented by filing Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So if these problems sound like something that's bothering you or things that you're struggling with right now, feel free to call me anytime at 303-831-0733. I'd be glad to talk to you and answer any questions you have. And you can also visit my website at milehighbankruptcy.com. There's a lot of information there, and hopefully you will find it helpful. Thank you very much.